it's Steve, also known as Full Draw. I told you I'd get to this video. What I made is I started out with 15 pounds of wildflower honey. That was a full bottle here and a little bottle there. That adds up to 15 pounds. And if you want to come forward here, you'll see it's been a good week now. We fermented it down, and it's got still got a nice murky color, but we're making a Blackberry Melomel, which is basically a mead, which is fermented honey, and then you add fruit to it. It's called a Melomel. You could call it Blackberry Mead if you want to. I've already added the 2 cans of fruit puree, blackberry fruit puree. Well, that's tough to say. Into the bottom of the carboy here, and right now we're transferring over the mead, which started out, trying to clean off the edges here, started off at a specific gravity of 1.100, which would bring, if it ferments out dry, and it was almost dry just now when we're transferring it, it would give us a 13.5% alcohol by volume. Now, that's not even taking into consideration the sugars that are in the blackberry puree. So it's going to be well over 14% alcohol. It's going to be a sparkling mead. After this is transferred, and it's going to sit for 2 months clearing. Before we bottle, we're going to add 5 ounces of priming sugar. What priming sugar is very similar to beer. Most of your brewers that are watching us know. That's what you add if you're naturally carbonating. You'll add that into the bottling bucket, transfer it into a bottling bucket, mix it up. And what that does is all the yeast that are starving and still alive in there, you're giving them that last bit of food, and they're going to gobble it up, create CO2, but by the time they're creating that CO2 and it can be released, they're trapped in bottles, which is what I'll be putting in small beer bottles and a few other bottles. And that'll give you your carbonation. So it'll be a really high alcohol, but a real nice, fruity Blackberry Melomel or Blackberry Mead. I guess my next video will be the conclusion. Well, actually, my next video will be bottling my strawberry wines. But this one will continue in about 2 months. We're going to let this settle out, and 2.5 months we'll be ready to bottle it up, and then probably another month from then we'll try the first bottle and see how carbonated it is. And we'll probably only have 1 bottle because that's high octane stuff. That's all for now.